Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another couple of unboxings. For those of you that saw the video I released yesterday, you would have seen that I picked up a couple of coins to add to the stack, 2 ounces in total. And I'm hoping we've got some more silver to unpackage in today's video. Now I believe this one is another piece dollar to add to my filler tube challenge, as we are now in June. This should, I'm hoping it is anyway, I've written on the other side piece dollar question mark, so I'm hoping that's going to be the piece dollar to add to the tube. And this one I'm not sure, I'm not too sure who this is from. I think I recognise the handwriting, but I'm not 100%. So we've got a bit of a surprise one, and one that I think I know what's inside. So let's start off with the one that I'm pretty sure is a piece dollar, and we'll see if we've got that right. Really enjoying collecting these piece dollars and filling up the tube. Can't believe that we're already in June. It feels like May absolutely flew by. Yes, we got it right. It is a piece dollar. Really, really nice. Yeah, I can't believe we're already in June. We've just taken the reading for June's spot price for the 365 Days of Silver spot price bars that I'm working alongside Louis on. And that is really, really exciting. I'm very excited to start seeing those being released and received in the community. I know most of the May ones have been sent out now, so you should receive your May one very, very soon, if not already. But yeah, I'm really excited to get another one of these bars in production and out on the market. We're coming up to halfway through completing that entire collection now of the 365 Days of Silver spot price bars. So yeah, what an incredible collection it's turned out to be. I can't wait to see the whole box fill up. But let's add another piece dollar to the collection. Really, really nice. Look at that, filling up really nicely. Nice bit of weight in that tube as well. Really enjoying collecting those. Let me know in the comment section if you're still doing your filler tube or filler box challenge. I'll be interested to hear who's actually still following it along or who has decided not to. I know there's a lot of people that are posting their progress in Stacker Social in the group that we made called 2025 Filler Tube Challenge. And it's really nice to see. It's really motivating to see that people are still buying a piece of silver or a piece of gold and adding it to their collection every single month. It's really great to see people's stacks continuing to grow. Also, I want to do a very, very big shout out as well to the new members of the 365 Club. Now, the 365 Club is not something I often talk about on the channel. I don't really promote it probably as much as I should do, but it's a paid subscription service that you can do here on YouTube. It costs $4.99 a month, and it just gives you some extra features and perks for helping support my channel that little bit further. It gives you early access to all of my videos. Every now and then I release a video straight to the community and it bypasses members only. That's because I want everyone to see it at the same time. But quite often I'll release a video minimum 2 hours before it goes live to everyone else, sometimes 2 or 3 days before it goes live to everyone else. So it's a way of being able to watch my content before it's released to everyone. It also gives you access to behind the scenes content. There's quite a few videos now that are members only videos that I've released over the time that I've had the membership scheme available, and you can only watch those if you're a member. So even if you wanted to join for 1 month, just pay the $4.99 and then cancel at the end of the month, then you can catch up on all of those videos that you can't actually currently see. So that's what some people do, and that's really cool as well. You don't have to sign up and stay a member for a whole year or however long you want to be. I know some people have been members for over 2 years now, which is absolutely incredible, and I really, really appreciate it. But like I said, you can just sign up, watch all the behind the scenes members only videos, and then cancel if you choose to do that. But yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you. I'm not going to read out every single person's name that's recently joined, because I've had it in the past where I've read out some people's names that have joined the 365 Club, and they've actually messaged me privately saying that they would prefer to stay anonymous, which is completely up to them. And that is why I don't often shout out every single person in there, because I know that some people don't want everyone to know what they're subscribed to, and they want to kind of keep it behind closed doors. So that is why I don't often name everyone that's joined the 365 Club personally like I used to. I used to actually have a barrel over the back there where every single person's name went on it that was in the 365 Club. So every single time someone joined the 365 Club, I would add their name to the Barrel of Fame, You see the stack collector was the very first person, and I continued to do that right up until when Baron joined. But after that, like I said, I did get a comment from someone in the community just saying they would prefer to stay anonymous, so that's why I stopped doing it. But I really still appreciate those of you that join, and when people join, I shout them out privately to the members only group, because there's a members only post bit that I can do as well that only goes to the members, and I don't shout it out to the whole channel. So there we go, that explains that. But I just want to say I really do appreciate it, everyone that's joined that. It really does help out with buying some of these pieces and helps me pay for the extreme ideas that I come up with, because let's face it, some of the things I've done to silver in my collection has made it lose money, and I will never see that premium come back. So the YouTube ad revenue I get from YouTube and from the members all goes to helping fund these ideas, and almost makes it a little bit easier to swallow when I'm defacing things and doing things a little bit crazy to silver and gold, because then I know that I'm still going to be refunded those premiums from, like I said, the YouTube and the 365 Club. So yeah, it keeps my channel fresh, and it makes me be able to justify me doing things that I do to coins and bars. So yeah, massive thank you. I know that's a bit of a ramble there, but I really do appreciate those people that have joined and yeah, show the extra support. So I really appreciate it. But let's get straight into the last one. Now this is very cool. So this is from someone in the community, someone that I met through Stackers Social. Look at this. This is really cool. Certificate of Authenticity, limited edition of 5. So wow, there's only 5 of these poker chips released, and this tells you who has got them. So it says Noggy has number 1, and that is his poker chips. I don't blame him keeping hold of number 1. Number 2 has gone to jumping into silver. 3 has gone to GSH, 4 has gone to X20, and now 5 has gone to myself. Version 2 is on its way from the plastic mint. Really cool, absolutely brilliant. Oh look, there's an actual note on this side as well. So it says, "Hi 365, meet Busby. You have probably heard that he needs feeding 20, or is that 2? No, 2 ounces. Oh, that's lucky. I was going to say 20 ounces of silver. It's nearly like a whole tube every single month. But yeah, 2 ounces of silver every month. Don't forget, I won't forget. Thanks for the work you put into this channel. Much appreciated, Silver Noggy." So really kind. Thank you. And I love the fact they have a COA. That is a really cool thing that I've not seen people do in the community, where they're actually listing who has got the poker chips. And there's a version 2 on the way. So I've got in there with version 1. And that looks absolutely incredible. Now it's going to have to come out the flip so we can see it properly. I love that it's coming a flip though. That is really cool touch. Silver Noggy, be a happy stacker. Really cool logo. And you can see there you've got the honeycomb on this side. That almost looks like a shiny background on there as well, which is a really cool effect. So yeah, thank you very much. I love collecting my poker chips. I actually love collecting poker chips. And I know many people will agree with me on this, just as much as I enjoy collecting coins, because it's a really nice personal touch from the community. I've got my Stackers Social Pokemon one there as well. What else have we got? We've got the Stackers Social auction one that is only available if you win an auction that Silverpunk has done. So they're really hard to get hold of unless you've actually purchased something. We've got another one from Jack Stacks. And these are all ones that I need to add to my collection of poker chips. I won't show them in this video because this video is already coming up to 10 minutes long. But I have actually got all of my poker chips stored in a really cool box. And I just need to add all these to it now. So yeah, thank you very much. Really cool. And a nice addition to the poker chip collection. And thank you very much for the note in the COA. Like I said, a really nice touch and not something I've seen done before. So it's nice people thinking creatively and outside the box. But as always, thanks very much for watching. That is going to be today's video done. I really appreciate every single person that has watched today's video. Please head down and smash the like button if you haven't already. Please subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.